And then if it makes something up and puts something in there, you can still check it after the fact. It's like being able to cite is very important. And then your second question was, where do I have LLM as a judge? That's a concept, and that's in the evals portion. I have a Opus agent that looks at every answer from Jarvis and says, yeah, like this is correct.
Thank you.
Maybe one or two, yeah?
So when we come to evals, recent legislation said that the higher scrutiny systems are the ones that honor the decisions. So I was just wondering, at Gauntlet, do you guys think about how your government agencies respond to these legislations, given that they are compulsory for them?
That is a great question. We also have a Gauntlet for America side that works specifically with the government. I will say we're taught at Gauntlet how to articulate these trade-offs, and so I don't have that specific answer for this project, but that's definitely something we're learning.
Can you hallucinate something?
I won't hallucinate anything. I'm not an artist. All right, maybe one more question. Yeah, oh, Chris.
Oh, okay. Well, what's your favorite part of building Darvos?
Honestly, it was just like the fact that I could do it in Claude code with very little brain power and just like one-shot this, and then it did this whole thing, and like the SDK for the meta classes was so easy to set up. So honestly, it was just like the ease of doing it was so surprising. All right, everybody, thank you so much.
All right, guys, let's give it up for one more time.